right. She'd rather be alone than without her true love.
What's happening now?
The princess is lost in the forest.
That doesn't sound good. Look! A dragon! Why doesn't she run? Run away! It's a dragon! She can't hear me!
Don't worry, Maya. Look.
Besto, alla dici besto!
What happened?
Oh, it's all sorted out now. The princess can marry her true love.